to my channel. If you're a returning bestie, hey girl, hey. So today I'm here to show you guys how to achieve this look, and y'all, it is all tapeins. And today our sponsor is YG Wigs. Send me their 22-inch curly tapeins, and I've blown them out and straightened them out. All information on these tapeins will be in my description box below. I want to thank YG Wigs for sponsoring this video, and if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dogs that I grew beside, all the niggas round me.
Hey y'all, my name is Steph once again, and welcome to my channel. We're going to get right into this unboxing from YG Wigs. When you open your package, you will have your hair as well as some goodies, and y'all know I love me some goodies. They sent me a new clip, they sent me some combs, they sent me those new little Velcro things that you're able to put your hair down with, a cap, and y'all, I was so shocked when they sent me these fake edges. Y'all definitely let me know in the comments what y'all think about these. If y'all want to see them in another video, I'm definitely going to probably do it, but let me know what you guys think, like if you want to see how to install these edges. But let's get into this hair though. It is definitely giving my clip-ins from my last video. If you guys haven't seen that, I'll have that linked up there below. But they are so bomb. What I'm going to do is wet them and blow them out, and when we get into installing, I'm going to flat iron. So I'm going to show you guys how to do the foundation for tapeins. You want to leave out enough where you can have the up down. A good little trick is adding your comb where your part is and flipping their hair over. If you're able to see the point of your comb, that means you don't have enough hair. So then you have to leave a little more hair out. So I already started on my hair. I had to, go through the back a little bit, so I couldn't record that. So I'm already like probably on the third row right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to part your hair across the perimeter of your hair, and then you're going to add the tapes in between. And I'm going to show you guys how I do that here. Another thing when installing tape-ins is that when you have your silk press, you can't add any product on your hair or the tape is not going to stick. So anyone out there wanting to get tape-ins, make sure you know that this style you cannot add anything in your hair. So now I'm going to take my tape and then I'm going to comb it out. I'm going to take my flat iron and silk it out really good. And then we're going to take that tape off, and then we're going to start on each side of our head and add the first tape. After you add the first tape, you're going to take your comb and then you're going to part that tape and like leave a little bit of hair in between, enough like a thin like little layer where you're still able to see the tape. That's the trick that I like to use. That's how I know I don't add enough hair in between the tape where it can get caught. And then once I do that, you're going to add your other tape on top of it, and you're going to sandwich those two together. And I like to use this little tool that I got from Amazon to like stick them even harder together. And you're just going to repeat that method going across your whole head. And it can be very repetitive, just going around your whole head. Is just add one part, leave enough hair in between, add the second sandwich, add the second, and go on and so forth. And I also left it in real time so you guys can see, like, it was kind of difficult doing it on myself, but once I got the steady flow of doing it on my own, it became very easy. So shout out to YG Wigs because the tape on these are pretty good. Another tip when installing your tapeins is that you don't want them too close on the scalp of your head, probably like a good inch or so away from your scalp so you can have enough room for your hair to breathe. So now I added my last tape, and now I'm going to part my hair down the middle, and then I'm going to take my flat iron and just, flat iron my roots just to get them all nice and straight for whatever style I decide to do. Also, around this time is when my camera overheated. So off camera, I also cut my hair into layers. That way it can blend with my natural hair all around and stuff. So as you see, I have layers going around the front. Also gave myself a mini curtain bang as well. So here I'm just showing you guys how seamless they look. They're so bomb. I could just flip my hair anyway, put it up, put it down, and they're not going anywhere. So now I'm going to go in and add some curls, and I also have a curling video that I will also have linked at the top on how I curl my hair. So I'm just going to go in that same method I did last time and I'm going to take my barrel and curl going away from my face and just take the curler and go all the way down. And at the end, we do not comb them out. We're just going to let them fall. Oh, y'all, I just can't wait to go out on the beach and just let it get wet and then let the curls just come back to it naturally when it blend with my natural hair. Do y'all see it? It's giving those vibes, And yes, after we finish the last curl, I just tease it out a little bit. I'm going to play with it, toss to the side and see if I want to leave it like that or not. Or put it up, put it down, one or the other. But it is so bomb. They are giving. I am becoming a tapein girl. Y'all, this is so cute. But yeah, shout out to YG Wigs. comments what you guys think about this video. Yeah, y'all engaged. Let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Give me any tips on how to keep up with my tapeins, especially when it's time for maintenance. And you know, all them good things like that. Yeah, become a bestie. Follow me on all social networks. That's it for this video. I want to thank YG Wigs again for sponsoring me in this video. Y'all, I am loving these tapeins, and the straightening is holding up, the curls are lasting, everything like that. Again, all information on these tapeins will be in my description box below. And yeah, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, comment, let me know what you guys think about this video. Again, shout out to YG Wigs again, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.